Hi there, and welcome to Next. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to export tags in the NEXD Campaign Manager. Let's start from your campaigns list. Find and select the campaign that you want to export creatives from. If you haven't chosen a platform yet, don't worry. Just select all the creatives you want to edit, click Edit Selected Creatives, choose Platform as the parameter, pick your desired platform, and click Apply. Exporting a tag doesn't make your creative go live. It simply compresses the file and generates the ad tag for you. To export tags, select the creatives you want to include. If you don't want to export every creative in the campaign, just untick the boxes next to the ones you want to exclude. Once you've made your selection, click Export, then Export as Tags. The tags will be generated in the background, so you can continue working while it processes. If you'd like to see the progress, click Open Detailed View. Here, you'll see which creatives are still processing and which are already done. When everything's ready, you can download all your tags directly from the platform. You can even export them as a CSV or XLSX file for convenience. Alternatively, click View Tag to copy an individual tag to your clipboard, or use the Copy Tag to Clipboard button next to any creative for a quick copy. Once copied, you can paste the tag into your DSP or platform as a third-party HTML banner. And that's it. You've successfully exported your tags, and your campaign is ready to launch. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, feel free to reach out using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner or send an email to support@next.com.